having alpha hydrogen, two molecules of which do not having alpha hydrogen combined with in the presence of concentrated alkali, that means sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, while heating, you will get related salt as well as alcohol. That is only. Now, which do not have alpha hydrogen is, I will write it HCHO. As I'm writing only, you will come to know this is a formaldehyde, HCHO. Okay, now this combined with that in the presence of strong alkali KOH or potassium hydroxide, any one you can take. So what you will get it HCOOK plus CH3OH. Okay, this is a simple reaction. Now, what do you mean by alpha hydrogen? Yes, I would like to explain here. CH3 C double bond OH. So this is aldehyde. Now the same way, another one CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is a keto group. Okay. Now another one CH3 C double bond O OC2H5. So this is a ester group. So these are all having what it is, carbonyl carbon. So carbonyl carbon means which is having the special character, that is having what it is, electron withdrawing group. This is having what it is, electron withdrawing group. So the electron withdrawing group which is connected with that carbon is called what it is, alpha carbon. What it is, what do you call? Alpha carbon. Actually, this is a functional group. Yes, CHO, it's a functional group of aldehyde. CO, it's a functional group of ketone. COO, it's a functional group of ester. You know very well. Now, in this carbonyl group, which is attached with that hydrogen, that is called what it is, alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. Okay, now this alpha hydrogen is having what it is, a special character which is called acidic in nature. So this acidic in nature, what it will do, you know, this aldehyde combined with another aldehyde to form what it is, condensation reaction takes place and you will get the product aldol. That means aldehyde also you will get it, alcohol also you will get that formation. That compound is having aldehyde group as well as alcohol group, it will be there. So that is called aldol condensation. Now why should I mention here means, this alpha hydrogen I wanted to mention. Now in this point, do you think it is having that alpha hydrogen? Alpha carbon is there only, in that it will attach with that alpha hydrogen. There is no, this is a functional group. CHO, it's a functional group that is attached with that, does not have that what it is, alpha hydrogen. That is what Cannizzaro reaction mentioned, which do not have that alpha hydrogen. So two molecules of which do not have that alpha hydrogen combined, and while heating you will get that related salt. That means formaldehyde form, sodium, sorry, potassium formate and methyl alcohol. Okay, now this is a